Hey everyone, in this video I'm gonna show you a step-by-step tutorial on how to add tracking number to eBay shipped item. Once you've sold an item on eBay, adding a tracking number isn't just optional, it's one of the most important steps in completing the order properly. It helps your buyer track their package in real time, builds trust, and also protects you as a seller in case there are disputes or delivery issues. Many sellers skip or delay this step, which can lead to unnecessary problems, delays, or even negative feedback. Start by opening eBay and logging into your account. At the top right corner, click on My eBay. This takes you to your account dashboard. Inside My eBay, click on Selling. This will open your seller dashboard where you manage orders and shipments. Now, look for the section labeled Shipping Labels. Click on it. Clarification. This section shows all your orders that are ready to be shipped or already shipped. Locate the order you want to update. Next to that shipment, you'll see a dispatch dropdown. From the dropdown options, select Add Tracking. Now you'll be prompted to enter tracking number provided by your shipping carrier and a broker. Shipping carrier name, for example, DHL, UPS, FedEx, etc. Clarification. The tracking number allows both you and the buyer to follow the package. And choosing the correct carrier ensures the tracking link works properly. Enter the details carefully. After entering the tracking information, click Save or Submit. Your tracking number will now be attached to the order. The buyer will also be notified automatically. Using eBay properly ensures smoother transactions and better seller performance. To summarize, adding a tracking number on eBay involves going to My eBay, navigating to Selling, opening Shipping Labels, selecting your shipment, clicking Add Tracking, and entering the tracking number and carrier. This ensures your buyer can track the package. And that's how to add a tracking number to a shipped item on eBay. It might seem like a small step, but it plays a big role in your overall selling performance. Reliable tracking builds trust, reduces disputes, and shows buyers that you're a serious and professional seller. If you want to stand out on eBay, consistency matters, shipping on time, and providing tracking is part of that foundation. So that's how you do it. I hope you guys liked this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, and share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.